I Got Better, Morgan Wallen. I was asked to do a couple more country songs, so this is one. Really cool song. Really empowering, and so it's a fun one to play. Has a really cool rhythm to it, and we'll go through that as well. There's only a few chords that we need for it. But by the way, I'll have the link to the lyrics and the chords in the description below. We need an A minor. I play just the 2-finger version on this one. I think that one kind of sounds best for this one. Then C major 7 right there. So we need that C major 7. Then the F major 7. Those are the basic chords we need. You can kind of switch up too in the chorus if you want to just play like a regular old A minor. You can do that. I think that's the chord in the chorus, but you can play it any way you want, the A minor 7 or just a regular A minor, and that's all the chords we need. So the strum pattern I'm using here, use any one you want, whatever you're kind of comfortable with. I tend to go down, down, up, and it's the first downstroke is just kind of hitting some of the lower strings up on top, and then downstroke, up, so. So like that, and I think that works well for the song, but try anything you like. So we'll go, everything's pretty much the same around here. Neighbors shooting next year's deer. Boys still loose, laying in that home. They've been better since you've been gone. Then we get to the chorus. The chorus starts off with an A minor. You could do the A minor 7 with 2 fingers, or a full A minor. I'm going to use the full A minor. And just want to mix up the strumming pattern. So here I'll probably do something like down, down, up, down, up. Do it any way you like, whatever works. I just kind of like changing the strum pattern between the verse and the chorus just to make it sound different, particularly when you're using a lot of the same chords. So the down, down, up would be. Yep, something like that, to make it a little bit strummier. So the chorus would sound like, swear it was like I'll be damned, I'm finally coming back to who I am. When it was overnight. Light came on and it felt alright when it all went wrong. I'm really sorry, Morgan, for butchering up the vocals of your really, really cool song. I just don't have your voice. But I just want to show you what it would sound like playing on that chorus. Again, yeah, so try a different strum pattern for the chorus. Then we get to the bridge, and that's the I ain't saying that you're the sleep that I lost. Again, same chords. It's A minor and a C major 7 here. Those chords just sound so wonderful together. On this, is a little bit more of a dramatic section, so I'd probably just do, a 1 or 2 strum, down strum on it, and just kind of like hearing all those specific notes for the bridge. You could try something like that, mix it up, and then that way you have 3 different ways of strumming through the song. That's I Got Better by Morgan Wallen. Thanks very much for the suggestion of doing some more country. I'm really going to start getting into some more of these songs. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy playing it. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope I didn't go too fast, but yeah, it's a great one. Just learn a couple chords, and then you are playing along with Morgan, and I hope you can sing along better than I can. Have a good one.